Hello everyone, today I will be presenting on coral bleaching in Southeast Asia, a growing climate crisis. Coral bleaching occurs when corals experience stress, mainly due to the rising sea temperatures. Coral normally live in a symbiotic relationship with microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. These algae provide food, energy, and the vibrant colors of coral reef. When ocean temperatures become too high, corals expel the algae, causing them to turn white. This process is known as coral bleaching. Although bleached coral are still alive, they become weak and more vulnerable to disease and death if stressful conditions continue for a long period. Southeast Asia contains approximately one-third of the world's coral reef, making it one of the most important marine biodiversity regions globally. Over the past few decades, the region has experienced several major coral bleaching events, including those in 1998, 2020, 2016, and most recently in 2024 and 2025. The main driver of these events is climate change, which increases greenhouse gas concentration and causes ocean temperature to rise. As a result, coral reefs are exposed to prolonged heat stress, leading to large-scale bleaching. The most recent coral bleaching events in 2024 and 2025 have been linked to severe marine heatwave across Southeast Asia. According to recent reports, unusually high sea surface temperatures have affected coral reef in countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines. Scientists have described the current global bleaching events as one of the most extensive over record. If ocean temperatures continue to rise, coral reef may struggle to recover between bleaching events, increasing the risk of permanent damage. Coral bleaching has serious environmental, economic, and social consequences. Environmentally, it leads to the loss of marine biodiversity and destroys habitat for many fish and marine species. Economically, coral reef degradation affects tourism of fisheries, which are important source of income for many coastal communities. Socially, millions of people depend on coral reef for food security, livelihoods, and coastal protection. Therefore, the loss of coral reef directly impacts human well-being and community resilience. Various efforts are being implemented to protect and restore coral reefs. Government and environmental organizations have established marine protected areas to reduce human pressure on reef ecosystem. Coral restoration projects, including coral gardening and transplantation, are also being carried out to help damaged reef recover. In addition, community-based conservation programs encourage local participation in protecting marine environments through education, monitoring, and sustainable resources management. Coral bleaching is one of the most serious environmental challenges facing Southeast Asia today. Rising ocean temperatures caused by climate change are threatening coral reefs, marine biodiversity, coastal economies, and community livelihoods. While government and organizations continue their conservation efforts, individual actions are equally important. Let us remember that protecting coral reef is not only about saving marine life but also about safeguarding our future. As the saying goes, saving coral reef means saving our future.